I've got my Ohana Beach Club box. So if you want to see what's in this month's curation, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and checking us out. We hope you decide to stay, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the Ohana Beach Club box. It used to be the Lonnie McCanna Ohana Jewelry Club, and then it was the Ohana Jewelry Club. Now it's the Ohana Beach Box. So this is a monthly subscription, and they make some wonderful jewelry there. So there's always a piece of jewelry as well as some other items, kind of lifestyle items. So here is what we have. One thing is outside of the box. So usually you get just the box, but this time it came in a mailer because there's this cute little beach bag. Look at how adorable that is. Nice and clear. So you can kind of see what you got in there. You can kind of take a quick check and make sure you got all your items that you need. And then here is the box. So right on top, we have this hat. And that's a cute hat. I mean, I'm not a hat person. I got to be honest with you. Like, there's no me that wears hats very well. What do you think? But my daughter wears hats, and this is a nice hat. She'll wear this. We have a little card that just tells you what's in there, but no other information, like it just goes over, here's your items. We've got a couple of stickers that you can put like on a thermos or whatever. There is, ooh, this looks delicious, a Berg Bites Oat and Energy Bite Sunflower Butter White Chocolate. I'm definitely going to bring that to work tomorrow. When I was younger, white chocolate was my absolute favorite. All right, so there's how it looks. It looks like little bits of cookie dough. That's good. Chloe would like these. I would buy these. Next, by Bella and Bear, we have their Hello Glow face mask, and there's a little spatula to put it on with. And this has kaolin clay in it. And our piece of jewelry. Oh, that's really cute. So a lot of the pieces are clay pieces. They're, I believe, handmade, and it's a rhodium plated sterling silver chain. All right, well, that is my Ohana Beach box. Let me know your thoughts. They now are adding on the option of a t-shirt. I think that was a $20 a month option. I think I added that on just to get for a couple of months to kind of beef up my t-shirt selections, because a lot of times I'm wearing cardigans, so I can kind of layer, and I don't have a lot of good t-shirts to go underneath that. Most of my t-shirts are from Smartass and Sass. I can't wear those to work. So yeah, I am looking for kind of just some kind of cute t-shirts that are comfortable and easy to layer. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.